Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Remote SSH in VS Code in 2026. Remote SSH lets you connect VS Code to another computer or server through SSH and work with files and development tools remotely. So let's get started. First, make sure SSH access is configured between your computer and the remote machine. You'll need the remote computer to be reachable and have an appropriate SSH account. Next, open VS Code and install the Remote SSH extension from Microsoft. Open the extensions view, search for Remote SSH, and install the official extension. After installation, open the command palette and choose the option to connect to a host using SSH. Enter the SSH connection information for the remote machine. If the host isn't already configured, VS Code may let you add the connection to your SSH configuration file. Once the connection is saved, select it and allow VS Code to establish the remote session. The first connection may take a little longer because VS Code needs to set up its remote components on the target machine. Once connected, the VS Code window should indicate that you're working remotely. You can then open a folder on the remote computer and work with its files directly from your local VS Code interface. You can also use the integrated terminal to run commands on the remote machine. This is useful when your development environment, files, or tools are hosted on a server. If the connection fails, check the SSH address, username, authentication method, network access, and server configuration. For security, only connect to machines you're authorized to access and use trusted authentication methods. It's worth checking the connection details carefully before troubleshooting anything else. And that's how to use Remote SSH in VS Code. Install the extension, configure your SSH connection, connect to the remote machine, and open the project you want to work with. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next